So you're thinking about moving to Raeford, North Carolina. Well, today you're in luck because today I'm going to give you a tour 5 new construction neighborhoods in Raeford. Whether you're looking for great amenities, builder incentives, or just a brand new home that checked all the boxes, Raeford has something for everybody. Stay tuned, let's dive right in. So I've helped tons and tons of families move to the Raeford area, which is right outside of Fayetteville and Fort Liberty.
Sounds like a magical place.
And I've lived in the Fayetteville surrounding areas for over 30 years, so I know they're very well. So if you're interested in moving to Raeford, drop me a comment below, let me know what area you think I'm moving to. I'd love to know. So the first new construction neighborhood I'll talk about is Brookstone Village. Now Brookstone Village has homes starting here around $344,900, and with that you can get a 3-bedroom, 2 full bath home with roughly just over 1,700 square feet. Need more space than that? They got options up to 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, with 2,600 square feet with just over $439,000. This is definitely plenty of space for a growing family or a family to be. So Brookstone Village is just off Highway 401. And Brookstone is a gated community. Now, there's no amenities inside the gated community as of this time, but you're definitely not far away from a lot of things. We've got the James A. Leach Aquatic Center, which is just a 4 or 5 minute drive. You've got the indoor skydiving place. And if you need to head out for groceries or shopping, Walmart and Food Line are just down the street.
That's convenient.
Now, most of the homes in Brookstone Village are built by Cavitas and Cates builders. The next neighborhood I'll talk about is going to be Graceland I and Graceland II. I guess it's just called Graceland for number 1, but there's a Graceland II. Now, with both Graceland I and II, they're right next to each other, and most of the builders here are going to be McKee Homes, Bend Style Construction, and Fur Construction. The homes here are priced around $279,000 for a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home layout, which is over 1,500 square feet. If you're looking for a little more room, at $424,000, you'll get 2,700 square feet, 4-bedroom, 3 full baths. And definitely, if you want any upgrades or amenities to most of these homes, they can be done if they're still being built. Now, if the home has already been built, then doing most of these amenities or upgrades are going to not be available. Of course, with the upgrades, if you want to go from mica countertops to granite or quartz, or you want a certain type of floor plan like LVP, luxury vinyl plank, hardwood, or carpet, these upgrades can cost you. Now with Graceland, there are no amenities inside of the neighborhood at this time, if there are going to be in the future. And if you're looking to commute to Fort Liberty, Fort Bragg, it's probably about a good 25-minute drive. If you're looking to head to Fayetteville, you're probably looking about a 20-minute drive. And if you're heading to Southern Pines, which is one great thing about Raeford, is you're in between Fayetteville and the Southern Pines Moore County area, you're probably looking about a good 20-minute drive. Next neighborhood I'll talk about is going to be Kinwood Village. This is probably one of my favorite new construction places because of the amenities they have. They have a dog park, they have a playground, fitness center, and a covered picnic area. So definitely that's inside of the neighborhood, which I think is definitely a great thing. And it's also literally a stone's throw away from the Walmart Supercenter, which is right there, and other businesses that are close by. You got Verizon, you got some restaurants, fast food places right there. So at Kinwood Village, if you're looking to buy a home, homes are starting around $279,100 for a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home, just over 1,700 square feet. And if you need something just a little bit bigger, you can get a 4-bedroom, 3 full bath home, 2,400 square feet, around the price range of $362,000. Now with Kinwood Village, I know they are offering a lot of builder incentives. They change almost every month, but for the most part, what I've seen, most of them been around $15,000 to $20,000 in closing costs. Now,
wow, that's a lot of money, but
at the time of this video, that could have changed depending on when you watch it, but definitely reach out to me if you want to know more information about builder incentives. And I'm pretty sure most of these builders are going to offer some kind of builder incentive to you. I know Kinwood Village, which is Dream Finder Homes, advertise this builder, buyer incentive a lot. And that's if you go with their preferred lender. And just another reminder, guys, if you are thinking of moving to the Raeford or surrounding areas, I am a real estate agent, and I'm with the All American Real Estate Group, so definitely reach out to the team and I. We'd love to help you. And the next neighborhood I talk about is going to be Stone Creek. Now, Stone Creek is brand spanking new. They only have one house up there yet. I drove through there. You can see by the video they are building, but there are no homes up just yet. Now Stone Creek is perfect if you're looking for that balance between size and affordability. Prices start at $294,000 for a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath home, just over 1,900 square feet. Or you can get a 4-bedroom, 3 full bath home, 2,600 square feet at $326,000, which is definitely plenty of room for the family or home office. And Dreamfinder Homes are the builders in Stone Creek. Now, like I said, these are new neighborhoods. As when I drove through, I didn't see any amenities that they may or may not be building in the future, like a playground or dog park, like Kinwood Village. But they could be bringing that. I just don't know just yet. Now, the next neighborhood I talk about is going to be Bedford, and it could be Bedford Midlands or Bedford Highland, and then there's just Bedford. I know, very confusing, all in the same area. I don't know why they did that for, but whatever floats their boat, I guess. Now with Bedford, the neighborhood is still new, but they're still building in it. I think some of the homes in there are a couple years old. I'd say no more than 3 to 4 years old. And there's 3 different builders in here. There's Ben Stout, there's A&G Residential, and there's McKee Homes. Now the homes start around $299,000 up to $488,000. And for $299,000, you're looking at a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home, just over 1,800 square feet. And for $488,000, you're looking at getting a 4 to 5-bedroom home, just over 2,500 square feet, and it's going to be a 3 full bath home. So the next question I get a lot is, why even consider Raeford? Well, it is definitely a growing city. It's more of a town, but Raeford is in Hope County. So Raeford town limits is very small. I'd say it's about 2 square miles, but everything in the county is considered Raeford. And Hope County is building up, definitely, or Raeford is building up, however you want to call it. Every time I go through there, they're building a new neighborhood. They're building something new, restaurants, entertainment, grocery stores. They are adding on to Hope County High because it's getting so crowded that they only can house about, I think, 1,600 students, and now they've got a grant to increase the school to around 2,600 students, bringing in more classrooms, more teachers, and all that good stuff. And like I said, if you're looking for things to do, most of these these 5 neighborhoods I talked about are spread out from each other, but everything's kind of in the middle. If you're looking to go golfing, definitely check out Bayonet at Puppy Creek. Great golfing out there. It's a little closer to the Southern Pines area. It's probably, depending on some of these neighborhoods, I'd say a 10 to 12 minute drive. Now, I don't play golf, so I couldn't tell you much about the golfing there, but definitely if you want more information, reach out to me. I'll try and find out what I can for you. And then you get the indoor skydiving place, and that same business has an outdoor skydiving place. Definitely check out the skydiving place and see what our 82nd Airborne Army unit does. Another great thing they just built recently, maybe about 2 years ago, is the James A. Leach Aquatic Center. Now they have swimming there, obviously, with the name aquatic in it. They've also got indoor basketball court. They've got a playground. You can have both host birthday parties there, and I think I even saw a walking or running track upstairs. So definitely check it out. It's a great new amenity to the Raeford area. And if you're looking to commute to Fort Liberty, like I said, most of the drive is going to be by about 25-26 minutes. If you're headed to Southern Pines, Aberdeen, Pinehurst, you're looking at about 22 minutes. And to Fayetteville, you're probably looking at about a 30-minute drive. 2 great hospitals nearby also, right off Fayetteville Road. You're looking at First Health, more regional, and you're looking at Kafir Valley Hoke Hospital. Both are brand new hospitals. I'd say they're more than 5 years old. Don't forget, if you're thinking of moving to the Raeford surrounding areas and you're not familiar with this place, you could be losing time and money. Reach out to the team and me. We'd love to help you. All my information is below. That's my direct number. Call me, text me, or if you want, kick this QR code up here in the corner and you can set up a counter link with me and we can do a Zoom call. Other than that though, check out these videos right here that YouTube recommends to you, and I'll see you guys in the next video.